Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello everyone, my name is Desi Natalia Syaloho, NPM 2441176 from Class Management 24X. Today I will present a topic, leadership style. Leadership is very important aspect of management because the success of an organization often depend on the quality of its leader. A good leader can inspire employees, improve teamwork, and help an organization effective its goals effectively. Therefore, understanding different leadership style is essential for anyone who wants to become a success manager of leader in the future. What is leadership? First, let's discuss the meaning of leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence, guide, and motivate individual or group to achieve common goals. Leadership is not simple about having authority or giving order. Instead, it is about encouraging people to work together and perform at their best. An activity leader helps employees understand the organization vision and motivation there to contribute to the vision. Leaders also create a positive work environment where employees feel support and value. For example, when a company is facing challenges such as declining sales or increasing competition, a strong leader can encouraging employees to stay motivated, identify solutions, and work together to overcome the problem. This is very leadership is considered one of the most important factors in organization success. Definition of leadership style. A leadership style refers to the way a leader communicates, make decisions, motivate employees, and manage a team. Every leader has a unique approach to leading others. Some leaders prefer making decisions independently, while others prefer decisions issues with employees before making a decision. Some leaders closely supervise employees, while others provide more freedom and flexibility. Different situations require different situation leadership style. For example, during a crisis, quick decision making may be needed scary, while in the current industry, employee participation may be more important. Therefore, successful leaders must be flexible and able to adapt their leadership style based on the situation, the organization goals, and the need of their employees. Auto-creating leadership. Auto-creating leaders make decisions independently without consulting team members. They maintain strict control and expect employees to follow instructions exactly as directed. One major advantage of this style is speed. Because the leader does not need to consult others, decisions can be made quickly and efficiently. This is particularly useful in emergency situations where immediate action is required. For example, in the military, commanders often ask the autocratic leadership style because decisions must be made quickly to ensure safety and success during operation. Another example can be seen in hospital during emergency situation. Doctor may need to make immediate decision without lengthy discuss. However, autocratic leadership also has disadvantage. Employees may feel that their opinion do not matter. Over time, this can reduce motivation and job satisfaction. Creativity may also decline because employees are not encouraged to contribute ideas. As a result, will autocratic leadership can be effectively as urgent situation. It may not be the best choice for encouraging innovation and teamwork. Democratic leadership. Democratic leader encourage employees to participate in decision making. Teams members are invited to share idea, opinion, and suggestion before important decisions are made. One major advance of this style is that employees feel respect and value. When employees are involved in decision making, they are often more committed to achieving organization's goal. In addition, democratic leadership promotes creativity because employees and encourages to contribute new idea and solution. For example, imagine a company planning to launch a new product. Instead of making decisions alone, the manager gather input from the marketing team, production team, and financial department. This allowed the company to consider multiple perfect perspectives and make better decisions. However, democratic leadership can sometimes be time consuming. Reaching agreement among team members may take longer, especially when there are different opinions. That's when the challenge democratic leadership is widely used because the promote collaboration and employee engagement. Laissez-faire leadership. This style gives employees a high degree of freedom and independence. Leaders provide minimal supervisor and trust employees to complete their work on their own. The main advance of this approach is that it encourages creativity, innovation, and personal responsibility. Employees can develop their own idea and find solutions without constant supervision. For example, many technology companies allow software developer and designers significant freedom when working on project. This flexibility often lead to innovation product and creativity solution. Another example can be seen in research institutions where science are give independence to explore new idea and conduct experiments. What, however, laissez-faire leadership is not also effective. Employees who lack experience or motivate may struggle without clear guidance. In some cases, pure communication and lack of coordination can reduce team performance. Therefore, this style works best when employees our high skill, experience, and self-motivate. Transformational leadership. Transformational leaders focus on inspiring employees and creating positive change within the organization. They motivate team members to achieve goals that go beyond their personal interests and contribute to the large vision. These leaders encourage employees to develop their skill, improve performance, and embrace innovation. The most example is Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. Inspired his team to create revolutionary products such as the iPhone and iPad. This transformed the technology industry. Another example is a company leader who motivate employees to embrace digital transformation and adopt new technologies to remain competitive. The advent of transformational leadership include higher employee engagement, strong commitment, and increasing innovation. However, transformational leadership often set ambitious goals which may create pressure for employees. In addition, leadership may focus so much on future growth that they overlook smart team challenge. Despite this limitation, transformational leadership is often considered one of the most effective style for organizations seeking growth and innovation. Transactional leadership. This style is based on the system of reward and punishment. Leader establish clear goals and expectation, and employees receive reward when they meet performance target. The advent of transactional leadership is that create structure and clarity. Employees know exactly what they need to do and what reward they can expect. For example, sales employees may receive bonus when they exceed monthly sales target. Similarly, employees who consistently perform well may receive promotion and additional benefit. The system can be improved productivity and efficiency because employees are motivated to achieve specific objective. However, transactional leadership may limit creativity because employees focus primarily on XCV reward rather than developing innovating idea. Employees may also become independent on external incentive for motivation. Therefore, while transactional leadership is effective for routine tasks and measurable goals, it may not be ideal for highly creativity and environment. Leadership style comparison. Auto-correcting leadership involves low employee participation because decisions are made entirely by the leader. Democratic leadership involves high employee participation through shared decision making. Laissez-faire leadership provides employees with the great level of independence. Transformation leadership focus on inspired vision and organization change. Transaction leadership imposes rules, improvement standard, reward, and penalties. Each style has strength and weakness. The effectiveness of the leadership style depends on the situation, organization culture, and employees' character. Why leadership style matters? A leadership style matters because it directly affects employee performance, motivation, and organization success. A sustainable leadership style can improve productivity, strengthen teamwork, and increase employee satisfaction. Effective leadership also helps organizations adapt to change in the business environment, such as technological advancement, marketing competition, and economy challenge. For example, during period of organization's challenge, transformational leadership can help employees remain motivated and commitment to the company vision. Therefore, selecting the right leadership style is an important responsibility for every leaders. Conclusion. In conclude, leadership style plays a critical role in determining organization success. Auto-creating leadership is useful when quick decisions are needed. democracy leadership, encouraging participation and collaboration, laissez-faire leadership, support creativity and independency, transformational leadership, inspire innovation and growth, transactional leadership, improve efficiency through reward and performance management. There is no single best leadership style for every situation. Effective leader understand the strength and weakness of each style and adapt their approach according to organization needs. Okay, that's bring me to the end of my presentation on leadership style today. I hope this presentation has provide the better understand of how different leadership style influence employee performance and organization success. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Bye.
Audio Jungle.